Nervous system. Okay, as we all know that our nerve cells consist of our nervous system consists of what? Brain, spinal cord. Okay, and neurons. So nervous system consists of what? Lots of neurons, brain and spinal cord. And what is the function of nervous system? Nervous system carries the information from external or internal environment through sensory and motor neurons. Okay, तो nervous system क्या है? Nervous system. Okay, there are two types of nervous system present in our body. The first one is central nervous system, and second is peripheral nervous system. Okay, हमारे बॉडी में तो two types के nervous system है, central and peripheral nervous system. Now let's study about the central nervous system. Okay, suppose this is the brain. Okay, ये brain है. This is brain. ये क्या है? This part is what? Medulla. This part is medulla. This is pons, and this is midbrain. This is cerebrum, और यहाँ पे होता है cerebellum. It is present back of the. ये mid medulla and this part below the medulla. यहाँ तक क्या है? यहाँ तक है brain. Now after medulla, spinal cord starts. Okay. After medulla, spinal cord start होता है. तो क्या है? Brain. This is the central nervous system. Central nervous system consists of what? Brain and spinal cord. Now brain has midbrain, pons, medulla, cerebrum and cerebellum. Now midbrain, pons, medulla, ये together called what? Brain stem. Okay, and back of the brain stem what present? Cerebellum, and above the cerebellum what present? Cerebrum. This is a part of brain. Okay, and this is spinal cord. Below the medulla there is a spinal cord. This is a whole structure of anatomical structure of central nervous system. Students, if you want to learn more about the central nervous system, that is the structure of cerebrum, what is the function of cerebrum, what is the function of medulla oblongata and pons, cerebellum, just give your message in my message box so that I can produce one more video about the structure of brain also. Now this is the central nervous system. तो central nervous system क्या हुआ? Central nervous system is consist of what? Brain and spinal cord. Okay, spinal cord. Now brain क्या है? Brain में three parts है. That one is brain stem, second is cerebrum, and the third is cerebellum. This is the central whole about the central nervous system. Now peripheral nervous system. Okay, ये आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम क्या है. ब्रेन, spinal cord together make the central nervous system. Now what is peripheral nervous system? What makes the peripheral nervous system? क्या होता है? This is what? Brain. Okay, this is cerebral hemisphere or cerebrum. Okay, and this is what? Cerebellum. Now what happened? यहाँ पे peripheral nervous system है. What peripheral nervous system do? It collects the information to or from the brain or spinal cord. तो कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन अगर स्पाइनल कॉर्ड तक या ब्रेन तक आती है तो दिस सिस्टम इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? सेंसरी सिस्टम. Sensory system. This system taking the information to the brain from peripheral nervous system to the central nervous system. And again, after getting information from sensory system, brain give the information accordingly, and this information which is again carried from brain or spinal cord to the different parts or to the peripheral nervous system. This is called motor system. Okay. क्या है? इंफॉर्मेशन सेंसरी सिस्टम के थ्रू कहाँ पे आई? ब्रेन और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड पे आई. अगेन ब्रेन एंड स्पाइनल कॉर्ड गिव द इंफॉर्मेशन टू द मोटर सिस्टम. मोटर सिस्टम को इंफॉर्मेशन देती है. अगर मेरा हाथ यहाँ पे, मैं कुछ कोई हीट सब्सटेंस यहाँ पे रखा, मेरा हाथ अगर वहाँ पे गया, अगर कोई गर्म चीज़ पे मैंने हाथ रख दी तो अचानक से मैं अपना हाथ हटा दूंगी. वाई वी डू दिस? अचानक से मैं अपना हाथ हटा देती हूँ. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ मैंने जो हाथ रखा, when I kept my hand over the heat, क्या होता है, एक जो वो जलने वाला इंफॉर्मेशन है, दिस इज द इम्पल्स, एंड दिस इम्पल्स इज कैरिड बाय सेंसरी सेल्स. और ये कहाँ पे जाता है? ब्रेन या स्पाइनल कॉर्ड के पास जाता है. एंड अकॉर्डिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन और इम्पल्स, ब्रेन मुझे तुरंत ब्रेन नर्व सेल को ऑर्डर देगा कि जस्ट कीप अवे योर हैंड फ्रॉम देयर. तो ये जो इंफॉर्मेशन जाता है मेरे हाथ तक कि अपना हाथ हटाओ, दिस इज कैरिड बाय मोटर सिस्टम. ओके, दिस इज कैरिड बाय मोटर सिस्टम. ओके, तो दिस इज टुगेदर व्हाट? पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम. कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन पेरिफेरल से ब्रेन और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड तक आती है थ्रू सेंसरी सिस्टम, और कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम ब्रेन और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड गोज अगेन टू वेयर? पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम. दिस इज कॉल्ड मोटर सिस्टम. ओके, नाउ ये जो नर्व सेल है, ये किस चीज का बना हुआ है? न्यूरॉन का बना हुआ है. मैं बार बार ये बात बोल रही हूँ कि दैट नर्वस सिस्टम कंसिस्ट ऑफ न्यूरॉन. तो न्यूरॉन इज व्हाट? Neuron is the basic and fundamental unit of nervous system. Okay, ये आपको समझ में आया? Children's, I told you that several times that if you want to learn more about the morphological structure of brain, morphological structure of neuron, just give your message in my message box, so that I can produce some more information regarding these topics. Okay, now what is nerve cells? Cells in nervous system. Okay, nervous system में कितने तरह के cells हैं? 2 तरह के, neurons and glial cells. Okay, neurons, we all know about neuron. It is conducting cells. It carries impulses from one part to another part of our body. Okay, so neuron is what? Conducting cell, and glial cell is a supporting cells. So what is the basic difference between the neuron and glial cell? The basic difference of neuron and glial cell is, neuron is a conducting cell. It carries impulses, but glial cell doesn't carry any impulse. Okay, this is the basic difference between the neuron and glial cell. Now neurons is what? Neurons are fundamental basic unit of nervous system. Okay, I'm writing nervous system as NS, this short form of nervous system. तो न्यूरॉन क्या है? This is the fundamental and basic unit of nervous system. Okay, now we'll learn about the structure of neurons. Okay, न्यूरॉन क्या है? न्यूरॉन इज अ सेल. तो सेल कंसिस्ट ऑफ व्हाट? सेल बॉडी. तो इसका भी एक सेल बॉडी होगा. this is what? Nucleus. Now see, this is what? Cell body, okay, cytoplasm, और this is also called soma, okay. ये extension क्या है? This is the extension from the cell membrane of cell body. These extensions are called dendrites. Dendrites, okay. And this process is a long extension is called axon, okay. Now why extension? क्यों extension क्यों है? So that these dendrites can increase the surface area of cell body so that cell body can receive thousands of nerve impulse from another neurons. What is the function of this dendrite? It receives the information, it receives the impulses from another neuron. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे neurons हैं, okay? बहुत सारे neurons हैं, तो dendrites क्या करता है? It receives the impulses from another neurons, okay? इस तरह से information क्या होते हैं? Carried forward होते हैं one neuron से another neuron, okay? तो dendrite का function क्या है? It increase the surface area of cell body. It increase the dendrites. Dendrites are the extension of cell body of neuron which increase the surface area of cell body, okay. तो dendrite क्या करता है? It increase the surface area so that cell body can receive much more amount of impulses from another neuron. तो आप one dendrite क्या एक dendrite केवल एक neuron से ही information collect करेगा? नहीं. One dendrite can receive impulses from 10,000s of neuron, okay. 10,000 neurons से भी ज़्यादा शायद neuron से dendrite can receive the impulses. तो impulses are carried to the cell body through dendrites or directly to the cell body. देखो कुछ impulse यहाँ से भी cell body पे जा रहे हैं, okay. तो cell body can receive impulses through dendrite or directly from another neuron. Now what happened? These impulses are carried again to the axon. अब ये impulse axon से carry होके दूसरे nerve cell में दूसरे न्यूरॉन में कैरी फॉरवर्ड हो जाता है. तो दिस इज द होल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ न्यूरॉन. ये थोड़ा सा और लंबा होगा, ये बहुत ज़्यादा ही लंबा होता है, ओके. तो दिस इज द होल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ न्यूरॉन. नाउ वन थिंग, what is the difference between the axon and dendrite? This both are the extension of nerve cell. दोनों ही extension है nerve cell के, लेकिन इन दोनों में difference है. क्या difference है? Dendrite क्या करता है? Any information it collects from another neuron towards the cell body. सारे information को ये कहाँ पे ला रहा है? Soma और cell body पे. And axon what do? It carry information away from the cell body. This is the basic difference between the axon and dendron. That means axon, dendrite is what? Dendrites are receptor of neuron and axons are effector of neurons. Dendrite और axon में क्या difference हुआ? Dendrites are receptors of neuron and axons are effectors of neuron. ठीक है? This is the basic difference between the axon and dendrite and neurons. Now one more thing students, you should know that what is neurites. Neurites क्या है? Neurites. Neurites is the extension of nerve cell, that is neuron. Extension, extension क्या है? Dendrite and axon. These are the extension of cell body on neurons. तो ये दो extensions together called what? Neurite. The extensions of neurons क्या है? Neurites. This is of two types, dendrites and axons. Axon only. Okay, one more thing. A neuron can have several dendrites but only one axon. Neuron का सिर्फ एक ही axon होगा, though it has several dendrites but it has only one axon. So this is the anatomical structure of neuron and a brief description of nervous system. If you want to know some more details, some morphological structure or structure of brain, just give me your message in my comment box. I hope you understand this chapter, and if you have any question, any queries, please drop your question and queries in my comment box. Thank you so much.